Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Okay. Mr. Lovely is present, so I can have the two of you go into a breakout room if you want to take him into breakout room one with you.
Actually, Your Honor, we were in a breakout room. It was the connection was very bad, but he did agree to the entry of a consent judgment. The only part that I didn't hear from him is whether or not I had permission to sign on his behalf.
Okay, so I just have to handle the jail and then I will call that one. Do you want me to put you back in the breakout room?
Sure.
To see if there's any connection? Okay.
Sure.
All right, so Mr. Lovely, please rejoin the breakout room, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Lovely, are you driving?
Yeah.
Okay, I need you to pull over, sir.
I actually have clients in the vehicle.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Clients in the vehicle. Chauffeur.
He's chauffeuring, I think is what he's saying.
Yes, I understand that, but I'm not going to conduct this matter while you're driving. So as soon as you pull over, I can call the matter, okay?
Well, Your Honor, respectfully, I don't think I have other matters to tend to. I don't want to. I mean, if it's a minute, if he's just going to pull over, but it sounds like that's not what's going to be happening.
Counsel, I 100% agree with you and understand what you're saying, but I cannot call this matter with him driving.
I understand that it could be entered as a default. I mean, he's been disconnected twice. I mean, this is the time and date set for hearing. And
I understand that, but he's present. I'm not going to enter a default right now since there's been a consent. So Mr. Lovely has to pull over so we can put the consent on the record. And so Mr. Lovely, you need to pull over so we can call this matter.
All right, 1 second.
Okay, so that Alicia was correct. The other one. Good morning, Ms. Jeter. Ms. Jeter?
I'm here.
Okay, are you driving?
Here I am. Can you see me?
Yes, I see you. Are you driving?
Yes, I'm getting ready to pull over right now.
Okay, don't log into court unless you're already pulled over. This is court.
Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. I apologize.
For these reasons, I think I'm just gonna have everybody in person. Okay, and so, Mr. Lovely, are you pulled over?
No, I'm on the highway, so I have to wait a second.
No, Mr. Lovely, I can appreciate that you're working. However, this is a court date, so I'm not sure why you thought it was a good idea to drive while you're on your court date.
I understand.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Thanks,
We'll
you
be
as well.
off the record. All right, thank you. Okay, Mr. Lovely, are you pulled off to the side of the road now?
No, I still haven't had that opportunity.
I'm sorry? Sir, you can pull over to the side of the road.
On the highway,
Well, sir, what highway are you on?
9.
9?
I originally wasn't driving at 9. It just lasted.
Sir, what highway, sir, what highway are you on? What's that?
M39 towards 96.
Okay. Yes, there are plenty of exits that you could have already jumped off of, sir. So jump off an exit so we can handle this matter now, please. So you're approaching 96. You coming from the north or the south?
South.
Okay, so you've passed Ford Road, you've passed Warren Avenue, you've passed Joy Road, Plymouth Road. You got plenty of places to get off and pull over. So do that now.
Okay. I can't like literally right now, but the next exit I can.
Mr. Lovely,
Yes.
I'm not sure if you think I don't know the highways around here, but you absolutely could have pulled over by now. So I'm
No.
about to enter a default judgment if you are not pulled over in the next 15 seconds.
I'm pulled over now.
No, you're not. You're still driving, sir.
I'm pulled over.
Now you're pulled over.
What was that?
You're pulled over now.
Yeah. Yeah, I got the clients
Okay.
to agree, so.
I'm sorry?
What was that?
What'd you say about the client?
Oh, nothing. It was kind of irrelevant, but I'm pulled over.
Okay, sir, I understand that you're working right now, but whether or not the client agreed to be pulled over at this point, the client does not overrule the court. The court ordered you to pull over 10 minutes ago.
Understood.
All right, we're going on the record in the matter of 2301987 Royal Woods Townhomes for Sherman Lovely and Javondra Johnson. And appearance, counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Cheryl Walkoff on behalf of the plaintiff.
And sir, your name, please?
Sherman, lovely.
All right. And so today's the date scheduled for the second hearing in this matter. And counsel, you indicated that there's a consent judgment.
Yes, Your Honor. The terms are as follows: rent to retain possession, $1,867.83. Court cost $200. The total balance is $2,067.83. The writ date is October 23rd, 2023. This is for possession only. I did explain the defendant his rights under MCR 4.201, that he's waiving his right to a trial. He does have 3 business days to ask the court to set this judgment aside. We're asking for entry of the judgment, and he has given me permission to sign on his behalf.
Okay, and Mr. Lovely, where is Ms. Johnson? Do you know?
What did you say about Ms. Johnson?
Where is she?
She's not on. I mentioned it last time, but she's not on the lease.
Your Honor, if that's the case, which I will confirm, I will omit her from the judgment. I do need to confirm that.
Okay, I do recall that last time, and I was thinking that was good, but it hasn't been confirmed yet?
No, it has not. I don't plan on taking a judgment against her because frankly, it's possession only. It's not really going to impact at this juncture. So we can just enter it on the record against Mr. Lovely.
Okay, so consent judgment against defendant 1 in the amount of $2,067.83. Is that what you indicated, counsel?
Yes, it is, Your Honor.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Lovely, you heard the terms of that agreement, correct?
What was that?
Mr. Lovely, you heard the terms of the agreement, is that correct?
Oh, yep, correct.
Okay. And
I will send a dismissal on the second defendant.
okay, so you heard Ms. Pierre. Okay, so Mr. Lovely, you understand that you do have the right to have legal representation, not at the court cost, but at your own cost, or legal or low cost or no cost. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
And you are proceeding without an attorney, is that correct?
Yes.
You also understand the terms of the judgment, is that correct?
Yes.
And counsel, I'm sorry, you did indicate you went over Mr. Lovely's rights under the court rule?
I did, Your Honor. Yes.
Okay. All right, and so the court will indicate that by consent, the plaintiff does have a right to recover possession of the property. The amount not due and owing for unpaid rent and other costs is $2,067.83. If that amount is not paid or defendant is not about on or before October 23rd, plaintiff may apply for order evicting the defendant. Partial payment would not prevent the court from issuing an order evicting the defendant. Additional money may be owed if damage to property occurs or rent continues to accrue. No money judgment will enter at the time. The court will also grant the dismissal against defendant 2. And the court will sign that upon receipt. Anything else?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, thank you, Mr. Lovely. Next time, if you're in court another time, please make sure you're not driving while you are having your case heard.
No problem. What time is that on the 23rd?
Yeah,
Sir, no.
There's not a time, sir. There's not another court date. You have until the 23rd to either pay it or move out.
Oh, okay, that's fair. Okay, I thought it was a date. Okay, I understand.
Okay. All right, thank you. All right, have a good day. All right, and Ms. Walkoff, do you have any other matters, or is that it? Okay.
I think that's it from you in your courtroom.